Welcome to my brand new listing right here in the heart of State Park. These are so rare, and this was a custom-built home for the original owners by Thomas Construction. I'm super excited to show you guys the inside. The owners of this home have thought of everything. You have concrete decks, 2 screened-in porches, and it was built to take in the amazing view of State Park, as you can see right here. For more information on this property, please call Krantz & Associates, Remax Lake of the Ozarks, 573-302-2355.